mirror.
Yeah.
Once you finish dressing, you admire yourself to look. And this is the ensuite bathroom. What are you looking for there? This is my restroom. Come on.
Yeah, everyone, so we're going to show you what our 2-bed, 2-bath condo looks like in Calgary, Alberta. So come watch with us. Guys, so this is our mailbox. Once you enter from the entrance, it's just right here, and then
Now, due to how secure this place is, guests cannot just come in and then come in here.
yeah, we have to let them in.
Yes.
Yeah.
And without the necessary key,
Yeah.
I'm about to open the door right
Yeah.
now. Without the necessary key, you won't be able to come in here.
Yeah.
I need to actually open the door for you.
Okay.
So this is the key I was talking about. We just open and here we go. Come on in.
Okay. So this is the staircase, the exit, the staircase. So we are using the elevator for convenience.
Convenience.
Yeah.
Because you can use this
Yeah.
to take the baby upstairs.
So.
Hello. Welcome, Papa.
Okay.
Okay, so getting in first, we have a storage unit here. This is like our pantry.
Yeah.
Then,
Yeah.
yes, that's the pantry.
Okay.
Then we have storage here.
Okay.
You could decide to do anything here, but here we decided to do like a place for our shoes.
Yeah.
And, you know, we also have something here to keep our jackets
Yeah.
for the cold winter.
Yeah.
This is my beautiful kitchen. Most of these things, appliances already come with the apartment. The
Yeah.
fridge, the microwave, the gas, the dishwasher. And I like it because it's actually very spacious. If you saw our basement, you'd have seen what the kitchen looked like.
Yeah.
I prefer this. This has enough slab space.
Yeah.
What else? Yeah. Spacious. I like it compared to our business.
Basement, yeah. Okay.
Come on, let's go to the sitting room.
Okay. So, this is our sitting room. One of the reasons why I actually like this place is, you know, the way here is designed. Can you come close a little bit? Just show here. Yeah, how this place is, you know, designed. So, makes it easy for us to hang our TV here. And then, sorry, my PS5 is here. This Caesar's playpen is here as well, so it's actually blocking it. So, and what else? You have a camera specifically for this young lady here. Yeah, so it's quite spacious. Come on, say it.
Okay.
Tell me what you
So,
want to say.
I need to talk about how many square feet this place is.
I know. I'm not sure. I
Can you
remember.
guess?
I'm not sure.
I
I
think it's
remember.
maybe somewhere around 900 to 950. It's not up to 1,000.
No, I'm not sure it's up to 1,000.
Yeah, it's not.
I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not sure exactly. So,
Then we have that beautiful place there.
yeah.
Come on.
You want to show them?
Let's go.
It's quite sunny. So, yeah, with us there.
Yeah, okay. This is sunny.
Okay, so yeah, it's quite sunny. And this is the
This
view.
is my favorite place.
Yeah.
It's like one of the best views.
Yeah, so we can see far from here.
Okay, so come on, let's show you our room. So don't forget, this is a 2-bed, 2-bath apartment.
Yeah.
Come on. Right here we have the spare bathroom, which belongs to the other room. And here we have our
Laundry
room.
Yeah.
And this is my baby girl's room.
Yeah.
Just going to show you part of it. My baby her room.
Okay.
So her bed, her dresser, Zara.
Yeah.
Especially for her.
Especially for her, as you can see. Right. So so let's show you our room.
Other side, which is our room.
Yeah.
Okay. Come on in.
Okay.
Okay, so this is our bedroom. This is en suite. It's one of my favorite places in this house. Come on, young man, come and show your face. Yup. And aside that, it has like a very beautiful view.
Large window here.
Large windows. Excuse me.
You wanna open it? Yeah. So you see how the sun is. I don't know. It's quite sunny today. Very sunny.
Okay, so this is our wardrobe.
Yeah.
This is mine. I got the bigger space. Women need more space. And this is Khene. And the sweet part is it comes with like a large mirror.
Yeah.
Once you finish dressing, you admire yourself to look. And this is the ensuite bathroom. What are you looking for there? my restroom. Come on.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's tell you more about this apartment.
Okay.
Okay, so you've seen what our 2-bed, 2-bath condo looks like.
Yeah.
One of the good things about staying in a condo is your water bill and gas is actually included in the rent.
Yeah.
And if you watch our previous video, we talked about how much we pay. We actually pay $1,650 for this place every month, and I think it's actually a good deal.
It is.
Right?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, you wouldn't see a 2-bed, 2-bath at that amount right now.
Right now, no, you wouldn't. Hardly. Very hard for you to see.
Yeah. The only thing we tend to cover is the electricity bill. Yeah. And it varies, right?
Yeah, it does. It does because, like I said on previous video, it depends on what this woman here cooks. If she bakes, yeah, we get to pay more. And then if you leave all the lights on, you get to pay more. So if you notice that. If you notice here during the day our lights are not on because to me it's waste, that's one, and they are accumulating unnecessary bills for yourself. So if you can see these ones, they are not on, and they only come on, when we need it. They're probably during the night, early in the morning, preparing for work.
What's
and all
the
that.
range
So
like for payment?
for utility we pay around between 70 to 85 or thereabouts. Yeah, between $70 and $85. So that's what we pay for utility. Yeah. And then
the building, like you saw, was convenient. Is security safe?
Security, yeah, very safe. So nobody, even if delivery guys come, anything, they will have to call us for us to let them in. So if someone is coming to my house, it's not possible unless I let you in. Yeah. But the only people that actually have access to this building is, of course, the landlord has access to it. He can come in. No. Landlord doesn't even have access. Yes.
We open for them.
He will have to call us and then we'll open the door for him. But if the cops are coming here, they have access.
Yeah, an emergency.
Because we've had such an issue before. So the cops came in and come on our door. I'm like, who could be knocking because we didn't actually open the door for. So the emergency service, in emergency people as well, the emergency services, they also have access to the elevator, and then of course they can knock at our door and all that. So I think
yeah, even when you manage to get to the elevator, we didn't go to the garage, basement.
The garage.
Yeah. So that's where we have our heated garage. So when people are suffering from winter troubles.
Yeah, so we are lucky that our own apartment got heated garage because some other people they park outside. Yeah. Right. So we are lucky that the owner of the apartment actually has a space in the garage. So that's where we park our car. So we don't have any issue with clearing snow from the car, which is a very good thing. Very good, because you don't want during the winter you are first thing to do in the morning before going to work is start clearing the
As if your car even decides
if your car even decides to start. So I actually like that idea of parking in the garage.
And the fact that we don't even pay for that garage.
I will not even pay for it.
Yeah,
it came with the apartment. And most people, most condos actually pay for it. You pay around $50 or $70 for it, but we don't get to pay for it. It's factored into our rent, I think.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
So you see the benefits of this our condo. It's actually a really nice place, and we have wonderful landlords.
Yeah, they are nice. The landlord and the wife, they're very nice. Yes.
So if you stay in a condo, tell us how much do you pay?
How much do you pay?
Do you still have these benefits that we're enjoying, like the garage?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's something we didn't talk about.
What's that?
The heating system here is a central system.
So it's a central, but then we have
like a control. Yeah.
Like a little control here. So let me just turn it and show you. So we have that control over there. So could you point there?
So this is it.
Yeah.
We can reduce the amount of heat that comes in.
Yeah.
And increase it. We don't have access to when heat comes in or not, but we can determine the amount, if that's right. The amount that comes. If we want it to be very high, we put it, we increase it. If we just want just a little heat, then we take it to we lower it. We move it all the way down. So we kind of have control when it comes to heat. In as much as it's a central heating system, we still have a little control over that. So
let me tell you something about this lady. Baby, could you please talk? Is it on cold? Because it's been very hot all through the day.
Yeah, I just reduced it. We actually forgot to reduce it.
Forgot to actually reduce it. Right. So there's something about my wife here. So she likes to sleep cold. She can turn the fan on. We have AC as well. Yeah. She can turn it on.
I love cold.
But me, I don't, because I when I'm sleeping, I'm at my comfort. So I don't like cold, but
like the place can literally be hot, and Khene is using a duvet.
So
most of the time I run away from the room because no, I cannot deal with this.
I'm okay with it. But the funny thing is, she doesn't like cold outside. Do you? Not really.
I like cold. No. Once I'm properly covered, I'm fine.
But I can go almost half covered outside, and I'm okay. Like going to work, doing everything inside the cold weather, I am literally okay. I think it's because you've spent more time outside than most of my jobs have been remote so I hardly go out really. Yeah, I guess.
Yeah.
I guess because I like when it's winter, I'm outside working fine, but inside the house cold. After the cold outside, and I will come inside again cold. No, I don't like it.
The house is burning and hot, and he's satisfied. Terrible.
I don't like it. Terrible. So let's write this up.
Okay. So, like we've discussed, what the advantages that comes with our apartment.
Yeah.
The heated garage. Yeah. The security, 2-bed, 2-bath. So to you, do you think we're overpaying, or do you think like it's the perfect amount?
Before you type that thing, I'm not sure. Before you type that, I'm not sure because I know that a lot of people actually pay 1718.
What are you saying? 2-3. 2K. Right, so the other building,
the new one, building,
they pay more. They pay more.
Way more, and the rooms are even smaller.
Yeah.
The rooms are smaller, so
but still, you might not be in our city.
Yeah. So
how much do you pay for a 2-bed, 2-bath in your city? And tell us in the comment section.
Sure. Okay, so I think we've practically covered everything. So to our returning subscribers, thank you so much guys for being here, and we really appreciate you guys. And if you are new here, of course it's your first time, please do well to like this video, turn on the subscribe, and then turn on the notification bell so that we'll make a new post, you don't get to miss it. So you can hear our lady at background giving us soundtrack, required soundtrack for the video. She's around. So no, one of these days we're gonna make video and she's gonna give us. You guys are gonna see her doing the soundtrack in the background and with us, right? So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope this video was helpful. We'll see you on our next video. So she's Amara, and I'm Khene.
Really?
And we are Amara.
Are we going to be doing this?
And we are Amara and
in
Khene.
every video.
And we are Amara and Khene. We'll see you guys on our next video. And Chinami is also saying hi.
Thank you for watching.
Yeah.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.